Hi everyone, I hope you are doing great. Let's try to create this presentation. It's a great one from Venice that you can create it easily. Okay, let's start. At first, we need to add a new slide. In our new slide, we need to format our slide, and from here, add our picture. I add the picture from the past. So we have the picture, then we need this text. This text is created using impact font and increase its size, and also use this as shape effect. After using that, you just simply need to color it white. Okay, now we have it. We need to create this effect. So how we can create this thing? It's really easy. We need to insert a new blank space. In the blank space, we need to add fastly a rectangle. And after adding a rectangle, we need to copy this text that we have here and paste it here, reduce it in size. Okay, after reducing in size, we put it here. Select this we create a copy of that by holding Control. We select both of them by Control and make them combine. Then we need to color this thing black, and we need to set the shape outline to none and also give it some shadow. I think inner shadow is good. Then after that, we need to copy our text, paste it here, our text. Then we need to reduce the transparency of this shape. I'm going to reduce it, okay. Then copy this thing, paste it here, and bring them out. Now set the transition to morph. Your slide is ready. Let's take a look. I hope you like it. If you like it, tell me in the comments. Have a nice